Good morning, children. I hope you all are well at your home. Okay, so all of you take out your EVS book, open page number 20, right? So, page number 20 is the page number in lesson 3rd, right? Chapter 3rd. So, in this chapter, in the name of the chapter 3rd is our needs, right? Our needs means हमारी ज़रूरतें, means what are the things which we need most. ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिनकी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत पड़ती है. So, in this chapter, our needs, on previous turn we had studied about air. All living beings, we had seen that. So, we had seen that all living beings need air to grow and to live. All living beings need air, right? Living beings take oxygen from the air and release carbon dioxide in the air out of the body. Okay, now the next thing which we need most is water. Okay, all living things need water to live and grow. Without water, the life is not possible, right? The life on earth is not possible without water, because all living beings need water. Water is the most important for all living beings. Okay, so for which purposes, let's see some works in which water is needed most. Okay, so let's study. You can see, students, that in this image a girl is drinking water. So we need water for drinking. Most important that we need water for drinking. If we will not drink water, we will not be able to live, we will die. The next is bathing. Okay, to remove germs and dirt from our body, we bath with water, right? So bathing is another important work of the water. Next is washing clothes. The clothes which we wear, these clothes we have to wash also, right? We wash those clothes which we wear. So to wash clothes, water is needed. The next is cooking. To cook food, any food, if we are cooking, then in to cook food, water is again very necessary, important. So, some other works also, students, like washing utensils, right? If we are cooking food, then we will eat food in utensils means bartan. We will eat food in utensils, and after that we have to wash that utensils, right? हम बर्तन में खाना खाते हैं तो हमें उन्हें वॉश भी करना है. वी हैव टू वॉश ऑल्सो दोज यूटेंसिल्स. सो that also can be done with the help of water. Now, animals need water for drinking. We need water for these purposes. Human beings need water for these purposes, and animals need water for drinking. Okay, all animals, cow, dog, horse, all animals need water for drinking, because animals are also living beings, and living beings need water to grow, to live. Okay, fish also. Now in this page, students, on this page number 21, on this page you can see that fish live in water. Animals need water for drinking also, and some animals live in water. They do not live on land, they live in water also. So like for example fishes, crocodiles, so those animals who live in water, they need water, right? Okay, so we had seen that human beings, animals need water. Now what about plants? Plants also, students, watering plants. Plants also need water to live and grow, because plants are also living things. Okay, if for some day you will not give water to plants, the plants will die. The leaves of the plant will shrink and start to fall, right? अगर हम थोड़े दिन प्लांट को पानी नहीं देंगे तो जो प्लांट है वो सूखने लगेगा, उसकी लीव्स सूखने लगेंगी. ओके, एंड slowly the plant will die. So that's why plants also need water, because plants are also living beings. Okay, now we had seen that in different purposes living beings need water. For different works, living beings need water. Now we will see sources of water. What are sources of water? From where we get water? Students, the first one is rain, right? You can see this is rain. So the rainwater also we need. Lake, we get water from lakes also, from ponds, from rivers, from ocean. These are the lake, pond, river and ocean. These are the water bodies in which water is present, right? So in our homes, water comes through these water bodies. From these water bodies, water comes in our homes. And rain is the main source of water on earth, students. Whenever rainwater comes on earth, we should save that water. We should use buckets or other utensils to collect the rainwater, and after that we can use that rainwater for various purposes, for cleaning homes, for that water in plants. Okay, so rainwater, we should save rainwater. And we dig wells and set up hand pumps to get the underground water, to set the underground water. Okay, so to get underground water, to get water which is present below the earth, under the earth surface, to get that water we need hand pumps and we dig wells, like राइट हम कुएँ खोदते हैं, कुएँ बनाते हैं, हैंड पम्प्स लगाते हैं, सो डैट हमें ज़मीन के अंदर का पानी, ग्राउंड के अंदर का पानी मिल सके. वी नीड अंडरग्राउंड वाटर. ओके, so to get that underground water we dig wells and we set up hand pumps. Okay, so this was all about sources of water. Now we can clean water to make it for drinking by. Students, sometimes water also is polluted or some impurities present in water. So for drinking water we need clean water, right? For drinking purposes we need clean water. We do not need dirty water. So we clean water to make it fit for drinking. Okay, means for drinking, if the water is dirty and we have to drink, then we can clean that water. How we can clean that water for drinking? By boiling and by using water filter. For example, nowadays students, in each and everyone's home there are RO present. RO, right? RO is present. RO is there in all of your house. So that RO, what is the use of that RO? That RO cleans the dirty water, and now that clean water we drink, right? We do not drink water directly from the tap. Firstly, from the tap the water goes in water filters, and then from water filters we take the water for our drinking purpose. And the second one is boiling. By boiling also we can clean water. If students and in someone's home there is not water filter, then they can boil the water. Okay, by boiling also many impurities may get vanished from the water. Many impurities can be filtered out from the water by boiling. Okay, so water is precious. We should use it very carefully. We should not waste water, right? Water is very important for our life, so we should not waste water and we should use water very carefully. Now we will see some do's and don'ts, that what we should do in case of water, what we should do and what we should not do. The first one is get leaking taps repaired. If any tap is being leaked in our homes, so we should repair that taps, right? We should repair that taps to avoid wastage of water, because if the taps will be leaked, taps will leak, then the water will be wasted. Okay, so we should repair that taps. Keep some buckets outside while it is raining to store rainwater. I told you that rainwater we can save with the help of buckets or other utensils. We can collect rainwater in them, and after that we can use that water for various purposes. Okay, the third one is use the water left in your water bottles to water plants. If you are taking water bottle, you are bringing water bottle in schools, and after going home, if the water is present in your bottle, then don't throw this water. Despite that, you can give that water to plants, right? You can pour that water in plants, in the vase of the plants. Okay, आप गमलों में, पॉट्स में आप प्लांट्स में वाटर डाल सकते हैं, जो आपका वाटर बच जाएगा. ओके, यूज़ बकेट्स एंड मग्स टू वॉश कार्स एंड फॉर वाटरिंग प्लांट्स इंस्टेड ऑफ पाइप्स. If we are doing any work, like we are washing our vehicles like car, bike, and we are giving water to plants, so we should not use pipes, because through pipes lots of water is gets wasted, right? Okay, so lots of water is gets wasted, so that's why we should use buckets and mugs, and with the help of buckets and mugs, some water we should, by the help of some water we should clean, and we should give water, that water to plants. Okay, so with the help of buckets and mugs, less water is used to clean that cars and bikes. Okay, the next is don'ts. These things we should do, and what we should not do: do not leave the taps open when not in use. If we are not using water, then at that time we should not leave the taps open. Okay, we should not leave the taps open. If the taps are open, we should immediately close them. Okay, now the next is, do not pollute the water bodies, as it affect the water plants and animals. In any water body like lakes, rivers, wells, oceans, we should not pollute that water. In any water bodies, we should not pollute water, otherwise it is very harmful. It will be very harmful for us. And we should not waste water. Do not waste water, right? We should never waste water. So on first turn we have studied about air, and today we had studied about water. Okay class, so on next turn we will study our other need, that is food. Okay, thank you.